If the inverter shuts down due to a fault or is standby, it generates alarm 2039 AC overcurrent. Monitor. Shut down due to a fault. Log in to the FusionSolar Smart PVMS. Alarm management. 2039 AC overcurrent. Solution. Update the software to the latest version. Alarm. AC overcurrent. Check whether a load with high power is connected. Turn off the AC switch. Turn off the DC switch of the inverter. Measure the impedance on the AC power cable side. Other solutions.